Pick it up. No, is it too yucky to pick up?
I want to eat it.
Well, how are you going to eat it? That's an idea.
Can I please?
You don't want me to knock it over and kind of cut it up so you can eat it?
Yeah.
How else would you eat it, do you think?
Cut it up.
Cut it up. You could put some more ornaments on it. That's a red hot. You sure you want to eat that? What do you think? I guess you like those, huh?
Yucky.
They're yucky. Well, you don't have to eat them, babe. Oh, your Christmas tree fell over. Now what?
May I cut it up?
Okay, I'll cut it up.